Alright, good day guys and welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download both the SMC DAO app and Peniwallet from the Amazon App Store. Right, so both of these apps are available on the Amazon App Store right now, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get them from the Amazon App Store. Right, so the Amazon App Store isn't really like your normal app store that comes with your normal devices, right? It only comes with Amazon devices like Amazon tablets, Amazon phones, if there are any, or any phones that have collabed with Amazon, right? But then with normal Android devices, you have the famous ones like Google Play and the Apple Store, right? So the first thing that you're going to have to do is, if you don't have a device that's compatible with the Amazon App Store, is to go onto the web and download the Amazon App Store, right? So you're going to head on to Chrome, then you're going to impute this on Google, right? So Amazon App Store download, right? So you are going to get a couple of results, right? So you can download this from any of the results. Right, so let's use up to down. Up to down is also an app store that functions on the web too, right? Functions on the web. So let us download this. I'm looking for the download button, and okay, yeah, here we go. This is the download button, right? So once you click download, you click download anyway, and then after downloading the app, you install it, right? So after doing this, it should look a little something like this. It should look like this on your phone, right? So we are going to go right ahead and open the app. So now, once you open the app, the first thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to create an account. That is, if it is your first time using the Amazon App Store, right? You're going to create an account first. I've already created mine. It's very, very simple. You just impute your name, your email, and they send you an OTP, and then you verify that the email is yours, and your account gets created, right? So once it opens up, it should look something like this, right? You see apps, obviously, right? So we are going to search for Peniwallet. One thing I like about the Amazon App Store is that it shows you other associated apps that the developer might have built, right? So here you can see the SMC DAO app right here, and you can also see Peniwallet, right? So let's use Peniwallet as an example. Right, so you just click install. You can see, you can get information about the app. Be sure to rate it, 5 stars, right? So we click install. It's preparing to download, and then it is downloading, right? So same thing that we're going to do for the SMC DAO app. This is already installed, right? So same thing. You just click, download, and then it starts downloading. And then after it's done downloading, you install, right? So let's use Peniwallet. You can see that Peniwallet is installing, right? Alright, so once the download is done, you're going to see a menu like this, right? So we're just going to click install, and then it should redirect us, right? Alright, so my phone is just going to scan it for viruses, being a counterfeit app and all that, right? So the installation is successful, so we click open, and yeah, we have the Peniwallet app right here. Right, so this is the same thing that you'd have to do for the SMC DAO app, right? I already installed the SMC DAO app, so yeah, you'll be able to get Peniwallet and the SMC DAO app from the Amazon App Store, right? So I hope you guys have fun, trying these apps out. Be sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.